Are you searching for a smartwatch built for adventure and made to keep up with your active lifestyle? The Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro delivers rugged durability with smart fitness features for every workout and every day. Track your workouts, monitor your heart rate 24/7, and get personalized insights to train smarter. In this video, we'll quickly explore what the T-Rex 3 Pro offers and how it performs in real-world use. Let's get started. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro. Magnetic charging base. And user manual. Want to grab the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro for Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Key features. The T-Rex 3 Pro is built different, just like you. Take on any adventure with military-grade toughness, dual diving certification, and a scratch-resistant sapphire AMOLED screen that stays clear in sunlight. The T-Rex 3 Pro handles extreme cold with hardware resistant to -40 degrees Celsius and a smart low-temperature mode that keeps key functions working down to -30 degrees Celsius. Enable glove mode to stay in control even in freezing conditions. Accurately track every move, even under tall buildings or dense tree cover. Dual band support from 6 satellite systems delivers a fast, reliable connection, ideal for demanding outdoor adventures from rugged hikes to intense trail races. The T-Rex 3 Pro features the advanced BioTracker sensor for accurate heart rate monitoring, even in tough outdoor conditions. Pair it with the Helio strap for pro-level precision you can trust during intense training and adventures. With over 180 sport modes, including winter sports like skiing and snowshoeing, it adapts seamlessly to your training lifestyle and helps you perform at your best every step of the way. From the ocean to the mountains, the T-Rex 3 Pro is designed to keep up with you. With 10 ATM water resistance and certified for diving to a depth of 45 meters, the T-Rex 3 Pro is ready for all your freediving and scuba diving excursions. Train earlier, go longer, and stay visible with a built-in 2-color flashlight made for low light and late hours. Choose soft red for low interference, bright white for clarity. Switch to boost mode for powerful visibility when it's needed. An SOS signal adds extra peace of mind wherever you roam. Take Bluetooth calls from the trail, use Zepp Flow to reply to instant messages hands-free, listen to training notifications, and more with the built-in speaker and mic. The T-Rex 3 Pro lets you do more, from anywhere. Your free companion for checking nutrition, fitness progress, sleep recovery, and trends is now able to simultaneously connect different Amazfit devices, like the Helio strap, for advanced data fusion that sharpens training analysis all in one easy-to-use app. Specifications. How to charge. Attach the magnetic charging head to the back of the watch. Connect the charger to a USB power source and make sure the watch is properly aligned. Charging will start automatically. Once the battery is fully charged, disconnect the charger. How to pair. Download the Zepp app from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Locate the side buttons on your Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro and press and hold the power button until the Amazfit logo appears. Once the watch turns on, allow it to complete the startup process. Open the Zepp app on your smartphone and tap Add Device. When Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro appears, tap to connect and confirm the pairing code. Agree to the required terms and wait while the watch syncs and completes setup. After pairing, select your wrist preference and button orientation in the Zepp app. Review and customize features such as activity tracking, sleep monitoring, and heart rate guidance. You can also adjust snore detection, backups, and fall detection later in the app. Safety precautions. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use only approved chargers. Keep it dry. Clean gently. Wear comfortably. Update regularly. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro. See you in the next one.